All right, let's talk about passive income, but forget all the hype you've heard. Today, we're cutting through the noise and breaking down 5 realistic, proven pathways. I'm talking about actual systems you can start building like right now. You've seen this, right? I mean, we all have. Most of the passive income advice out there tells you to start some super complex business with a bunch of money you just don't have. It sounds amazing, but it's totally out of reach. And honestly, it's just frustrating. It's probably why so many of us just give up before we even get started. But this is going to be different, I promise. We're not talking about pipe dreams. We're focusing on proven pathways. These are real, actual systems you can start building today, even if you have nothing to start with. So let's get right into what actually works. Okay, first up, our first category is all about what I like to call digital magic. It's the idea of making something just once and then setting it up so it can sell over and over and over again, infinitely. So pathway number 1 is what we'll call the digital asset engine. And the idea here is really simple. You do the creative work one time. You build a really valuable digital template. This could be anything, a set of Canva templates for Instagram, a super smart budgeting spreadsheet, or maybe a really detailed digital planner. And here is where it gets so powerful. Once that work is done, once that template is made, you can sell that same exact file thousands of times. Just think about that. There's no inventory to store, no shipping costs, nothing. Your profit margin is basically 100%. It is a beautifully scalable system. So what's the number 1 tip here? It's this: do not try to make a planner for everybody. You have to dominate a tiny, tiny niche. Specificity is what sells. So instead of just making Notion templates, you make Notion templates for graduate students. Instead of meal planners, you make meal planners for busy nurses. You see? That laser focus is what makes people buy. All right, let's look at our second pathway. We're calling this one automated content. This is all about creating really high quality, what we call evergreen content. Think YouTube videos or blog posts that answer questions people will be asking for years to come. And why is this so powerful? Well, a really good, well-optimized video or article isn't just a thing you post once and forget. No, it becomes an asset. It's an asset that can keep attracting traffic, keep attracting new people, and earn revenue for years. It's literally working for you while you sleep. Okay, so where do you even start with this? The absolute key is to target questions people are already typing into Google or YouTube. Things like how to make cold brew at home or what's the best budgeting app for couples. When you answer a question that people are already searching for, you're basically guaranteeing yourself an audience from the get-go. All right, let's switch gears a bit. The next couple of pathways we're going to talk about are less about creating something from scratch and more about leveraging 2 powerful things: your money and your reputation. Okay, pathway number 3, high-yield dividend investing. This sounds complicated, but it's not. All it means is that you put money into certain assets, like specific stocks or funds that literally pay you cash, usually every 3 months, just for owning them. That's it. Now, this is maybe the most passive income stream on our whole list. I mean, once you've done that initial bit of research and you've set up your investments, the cash flow is 100% automated. Your money is officially working for you instead of you always working for it. But listen, here's the most important part. Please do not feel like you need thousands of dollars to get started. That's not the point. The goal is to build the habit. Seriously, just start with $10 a month. Building that pipeline, making it a consistent thing you do, that is so much more important than how much money you put in at the start. Okay, let's move on to pathway number 4, which is the trust-based review system. You've probably heard this called affiliate marketing. And all it is really is earning a commission when you recommend products that you actually genuinely use and love. I mean, think about your own habits. Before you buy something, what do? You search for best wireless earbuds or reviews for the best coffee maker, right? Well, by creating a really honest, helpful review, you get to put yourself right in the middle of that whole process, and you're adding real value to their decision. But, and this is a huge but, you have to understand that in this game, trust is your only currency. It's everything. You'll have to be authentic. You can only promote stuff you've actually used and believe in, because just one bad, dishonest review can totally destroy your credibility and your income stream forever. So if you look at those last 2 pathways side by side, the difference is actually really clear. Dividend investing, that runs on capital. It's your money, and what you get back is automated cash flow. Affiliate reviews, that runs on trust. It's your credibility. And what you get back is a commission. See? Two totally different systems, built on two totally different things. All right, for our fifth and final pathway, let's talk to the builders out there. This one is a bit more hands-on, and it's all about solving very specific problems with simple software. We're gonna call this one digital real estate. And here's the cool part. You do not need to be a coder to do this. Not anymore. There are these amazing no-code tools out there now, things like Bubble or Zapier, that let you build apps without writing a single line of code. So you can put in that upfront effort to build a simple little tool that solves one very specific problem for a very niche group of people. The real magic of this pathway is the business model. It's called monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. And look, you are not trying to build the next Facebook here. The goal is to find one small, maybe even boring, but super annoying problem and solve it so well that people are more than happy to pay you a few bucks every month for your solution. So where do you find an idea like that? It's simple. First, go hang out in online communities, like Facebook groups for freelancers or Reddit forums for small business owners. Second, find a common annoyance. Look for places where people are complaining about using these clunky manual spreadsheets to track something. And third, that's it. That's your golden opportunity. You just need to build the simple, automated tool that replaces that spreadsheet.
Okay, so we've just walked through 5 completely different pathways. So what's the big idea? What's the one thing that connects all of them?
It really comes down to this. Building real, sustainable passive income, it is not about getting lucky. It's not about finding some secret hack or jumping on a trend. It's just not a lottery ticket. It is about one thing, intentionally building systems. That's the secret. Every single pathway we talked about today, every single one, is a system. It's a system that takes an upfront investment of either your time, your creativity, or your money, and it turns it into an ongoing passive return. So that really just leaves one last question for you. Now that you know these 5 proven pathways, the challenge isn't the knowing anymore, it's the doing. So which system are you going to start building first?